the one. Two, three, four. Okay, so we have more shit to set now. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 definitely wants to be set again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, appears like all Christmas tree pins are now past the spool section. Except for one, maybe. Where is it? No, it's past the spool section. One is set. Gonna use a different pick for 2 because it's like a lot higher than 1. 1, 2. Okay, I set 2, but I dropped 1. So let me try to set 1 again. Okay, 1 is set, 2 is set, 3, 4 feels good, 5, 6. Okay. Four is also a high set pin, so 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good. Now for 4. Four is set. And I dropped 1 again, so 1 really likes to drop. Let me try to set that again. Hope I don't drop 4 in the process. And the 1 is set, and now for the last one. Okay, we're gonna be really, really careful now because, well, I don't want to start over. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 is good, and I am on 6 now. I dropped something else, and I dropped 1. And we're open. Holy shit, man. Fuck me sideways. Ah, that is a pleasant surprise. Whew. I will move this here, relock this. I'm only shaking a bit. I will place this right here and put the vise to the side. Actually gonna put it on the floor and grab a follower. Okay. .3D printed clip. Use the key. Don't want to mess it up now. Oh, dude, I'm shaking so much. These weird pieces of shit. Getting the plug out is a bit annoying at times. I'm gonna just drop these because they're not relevant to how the lock works. And I'm gonna make really sure everything is in frame because, well, that was... 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 was stuck. As you can see, milling in all of the chambers corresponding to the Ginza Christmas tree pins. And these are, I'm not sure if they're stuck because this one is a bit old or if it's because, well, they are made that way, but it's a really old cylinder, as you can tell by the Assa logo on the key, and also the plug, not the plug, the cylinder, this thing here. And I'm gonna move this up close to the camera now so I can try to make sure that you can see the pins are inserted correctly. First Christmas tree. I'm gonna put this in one. Take out the spring. Really slow so you can see what I'm doing. As you can see, also properly insert it. I'm shaking way too much for this shit. Come out, spring. Spring went wild. Oh, damn, this is way too much. Okay, next one is going to be tapered anyways. Doesn't really matter in which direction this one is in the cylinder. Next one is also a Christmas tree. Hope you can, and I launched it at myself. I hope you were able to see on camera that this was inserted properly. I mean, it's kind of obvious by the video, but still I want to make sure that everything is on camera the way it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to gut from the back because otherwise the visibility will suck. Shit, that's a small tapered pin in 7. Now for the last Christmas tree. In 6. And another tapered in 5. The way it's supposed to be. And this cylinder also has these two things inside that interact with the spring-loaded buttons on each side So when it's turned to this degree, you can push them in for whatever reason. I don't really see the point in that because usually there would be this cap on the cylinder, so there's nothing that goes into these holes, but whatever. This is the cylinder. There's nothing special about it. It's just the interior side, and I dropped one of the steel rods. This is what they look like. Maybe it's anti-drill, I'm not sure. And I'm going to show everything close up again. Plug with milling in 1, 2, 4, and 6. And those are the pins. Christmas trees in 1, 2, 4, and 6, and tapered in 3, 5, and 7, with torpedo pins in, well, you can see that in a bunch of chambers. And those are the older style of Christmas tree pins. But yeah, that's it.